Alright, we got it home. This is what one piece, I didn't get any at the mill site, but this is what it looks like. And each piece weighs over 200 pounds. Ugh, sorry. Greens and yellows and reds and browns. So each one weighs over 200 pounds. Each one's worth an easy $700 the way it sits. We got this done. Yay! Could do this. Those are about maybe an 1/8 thick. Have a burl. Can't show you the grain, but it's a burl. And some more stuff up there. Yeah. That's the smallest piece. There we go. The best looking ones are the ones below what we see. I can't get to them now. Stuff's gonna look just great when it's finished. Yeah. So we got 6 cuts. This one and this one are the least attractive. They're all around 20-22 wide by 3 thick and almost 6 feet long, except this one. It's about a little over 2 inches.
That's pretty right down in there. Yeah. Pass me out.